So for our self-expressive vampire, we're going to start with a pink canvas, transfer our image like we always do with our graphite paper. And I mixed up a red, 2 lighter pink tones, and then kept the black and white, but I actually only used the lightest pink tone. So we're going to start with our darks, and we're just going to fill all of those in. Reminder, it is always easier to pull a line than it is to push a line. From there, we're going to reach for our solid red color and fill that in kind of all the halftones, all of the medium tones as defined in the outline. Headband and all, he's got kind of red irises. Be sure to leave those in. And then the lightest pink tone that we mixed up is very much the same value as the pink tone we started with. So I just kind of reinforced and cleaned up all of those areas using big and small brushes when needed. And then came our lightest areas, which are in straight up white. And I did that a couple times in certain areas to get the details. And then I just kind of started cleaning everything up with whatever I had left on my palette. Added the springs on our bouncy bats. Then came the highlights and the eyes that just make eyes always look a little bit more reflective and just makes everybody look alive. Minor touch-ups